Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day here, nice and cloudy, not too sunny. Wish there was a little bit more of a breeze for this, but that's okay. So just on the last piece here, and I've got the compressor set to 90 psi, and I've got my soda gun here. We're ready to go. So I'm gonna suit up, get a mask, cloak, because that stuff gets everywhere, and blast off the last piece of this rattan. It's been a big long one, so I'm glad to get it finished. This part anyways, this is the worst part. Hey guys, I have been killing it out here on this sofa. Just thought I would give you a little heads up. It's almost done, soda blasting, and show you where it's at before I finish it all. I've been out here for 5 hours. My hands hurt. This is hard work. It's a little chilly out here too, but let me show you where what I've got left. So this is the side that's all finished. All that old shellac is all off, and there's a little bit right down there I see. But anyways, this is the last plane on this side. So just the tops of all the bars here at the tops of the arms, and a little bit on the inside here. So it's definitely hard work. This little sandblaster is doing a good job though. Makes a pretty big mess. There's baking soda all over my driveway. So I just sweep that up and filter it back into my pail. And then I just kind of blast off the concrete with air afterwards. But yeah, almost done. And this is the last piece I've got to blast. So I'm excited to finish. There are some issues with the back on a few places. There's a broken piece. I think it's down near the bottom, so we'll be addressing some issues there. But other than that, this piece is in better shape than the other ones were. So I'll get set up here and do my last bit before the sun goes down, because it's looking kind of crazy up there. Please don't rain on me. Hopefully I can get this done. All right, so this thing got all soda blasted. I finished up late a couple nights ago, and it's on the bench here getting the bindings stripped, and the new ones are getting ready to go back on. So there's lots of work for bindings here. All these are missing their bindings. They were all worn off and broken. And yeah, so rattan has quite a bit of variation in the natural material. So it's got these dark spots and stuff like that, which is why it's okay for me to leave a few of the nail holes and things that you see on the sides where, you know, stuff like this and this, just going to be part of the whole thing. And this is definitely rattan. Bamboo is hollow. Rattan is porous. You can see on the end grain of this guy here, this is what the inside of rattan looks like. Lots of little holes. Really great for accepting epoxy repairs with a thinned out epoxy. And you can definitely repair this stuff. Bamboo is hollow. You can't screw through it. You have to do different types of joinery for bamboo. So if you didn't know the difference between bamboo and rattan, that is one of the differences. The reason rattan is used a lot in furniture is because the actual reeds, these guys, are usually a little bit more uniform, not, you know, varying in widths. And they're usually nice, long, uniform. They don't taper down too much like bamboo does. Bamboo tends to taper quite a bit at the top. So you can get a lot more use from material. And, you know, the fact that it's not hollow makes it pretty good. Bamboo is very strong, don't get me wrong, but you need to work with it a little bit differently. So this guy will be in the works today, getting all its bindings. And I'm so glad to be done soda blasting because that's a ton of work. But so is this. So we'll keep you guys up to date on how that's going and give you some tidbits on how the weaving works. This is definitely not a how-to video on how to reweave these guys, but you can pick up a few tips just watching how it's done. I know there are some videos out there that show you how to do it, but this is pretty straightforward for the most part. And yeah, so we'll keep you posted on this one. Okay, so we've got the first chair in the booth here. I have done a lot of little fine detail prep sanding because the sand or the soda blaster doesn't get every little area. So it's about 10% left of stuff that I just have to sand right off. So it's been vacuumed and cleaned up as best as I can. And I'm gonna shoot it with some lacquer and yeah, we'll see how the color looks. It'll get a little bit warmer, but it'll be tough to spray with all the angles too, but we'll just do our best to get all the pieces covered and definitely put a lot of lacquer on the areas that are gonna see a lot of wear. So yeah, let's get the booth and give it a coat. Okay, this is done. Oh my goodness, what a project. But look how beautiful it is. This was in total bad shape, and there's so many repairs that we did, and all of that gooey old orange shellac that we had to take off with the soda blasting, and then all the weaving and the repairs to the structure. And it's come so long and it's just looking so beautiful. I dragged it out of the shop here so you could see everything in its glory. And they're getting some cushions made, so hopefully she'll send me a picture when those come in. But it's looking really awesome. I really love this set. And for those of you who don't know, rattan is getting pretty popular these days, and the stuff is getting really expensive, so it's good to know how to repair this stuff. And my friend did a great job on the weaves, looking really beautiful. especially these guys here. I really love those ones. And I love all the natural flecks of dark color that you see everywhere. Backs are looking good. So yeah, a really big project and something I've never done before, but it was fun to figure out a new process and have it successful. So I really like the results that we got, and I would do it again. And when I have great customers who are willing to pay for something they love to have restored this way, it's always worth it. And I really appreciate you guys sticking with me in this one. And if you enjoyed this video, please do press like and subscribe, and go to our John's Furniture Repair YouTube channel and check out all of our other transformations. And if you're wondering about products that we use, we do have a products video that you can check out as well. And don't forget part 1 on this one, where we had all the repairs and soda blasting. But yeah, thanks again everyone, and we'll see you again next time.